Hey guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at this Logitech K120 wired keyboard. It's brilliant. I've had this for about a month. It's got a really nice tactile feel and it's not that expensive. It is currently £13.96 on Amazon, and at that price I can definitely recommend it. It's got a lovely tactile feel to it. The keys, it's a nice press to them. Well, it just works. It works really well, and I've used this for about 2 months now. Yeah, I actually used it to compare my silent keyboard in my other video. These are great. Really, really good. It's brilliant if you spent all your money on your setup, like I have, and yeah, I've got a keyboard. Would highly recommend.